Welcome back to another recipe video. This video I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious beef stir fry sauce that is perfect for your rice, pasta, or whatever you want to have it with. Let's get straight into the recipe. Into a cast iron pan, you're going to add some vegetable oil and then go in with some thinly cut beef. You want your beef to be thinly cut so that they cook through and they cook fast. Now, once you add your beef into your cast iron pan, please don't start to toss them around. You want them to be able to brown on the bottom before you start to toss them around. I'm going to season with some garlic and herb salt, some garlic powder, some smoked paprika, some salt, and then of course some beef bouillon powder. I'm just going to allow this to cook up on very low heat while I make the sauce. You're going to need some water, some light soy sauce, and also you're going to need some oyster sauce. Okay, you're going to also add to this some chili sauce. You could use sweet chili if you like, but I'd rather use the chili sauce. Also, we'll add a bit of sesame oil in there, some ketchup, and then some sugar just to balance out the sweetness and taste. Give all of this a really good mix. Add your sugar, give it a good mix, and then set it aside. By this time, your beef should have perfectly browned on the bottom, and it's time to go ahead and go back to them and just flip them and toss them around. Now look at how juicy my beef is looking. I didn't disturb it at all, so it is brown on the bottom. It's looking very juicy and it's just extremely flavorful at this point. Go ahead and turn just to ensure that the seasonings and the herbs we used earlier get into every piece of beef, and then just continue to cook them on extremely low heat. Low heat because you want them to really completely absorb all of the spices and herbs and just release their flavors. Now you're going to go in with lots of diced onion. When it comes to beef dishes, onion and beef do really well together, so you want to add in a generous amount of sliced or diced up or even minced onion if you don't like to see them in your dishes. Once you fry that into your beef, you now go in with your minced garlic and then just mix everything together. At this point, the aroma is divine. You're going to cook this till the beef is completely cooked through and looking like what you see on the screen. Now, if you're still watching this video, you're definitely enjoying this recipe. Do well to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Once your beef is cooked through, we're going to pour in all of that sauce that we mixed earlier, and this is what it looks like. You're just going to allow this to bubble. Now increase your heat from low to medium. Increase it from low to medium just to ensure that this sauce bubbles up like you see it here. It is really fast. It is one of those sauces that you can make on days when you're extremely tired, but you want to look like you spent a ton of time in the kitchen. Now stir, taste it, and adjust anything that needs adjusting. Mine didn't need adjusting at all. It came out really perfect. As you can see, the longer it cooks, it begins to thicken, and then I go in with my choice of veggies, some shredded carrots, some bell peppers. You can go in with broccoli, cauliflower, whatever veggies that you actually fancy. Toss them into the sauce, and then you're going to reduce your heat to low. You want the veggies to be a bit cooked but still retain their color and their crunch. That's all that you're going for. And pretty much allow all of this to simmer together for about a minute, and your sauce is ready. This sauce tastes so nice. It's almost like having a 5-star dining in your very own kitchen. So if you're trying to impress anyone with your cooking, definitely try this sauce. I paired mine with some egg fried rice to give it that perfect Chinese dining or Chinese dish, and it was absolutely delicious. Now let me know in the comments, do you like this video? Do you like what you see? I mean, why won't you like what you see? Look at how delicious this looks. I mean, it's finger licking good till the last drop. Trust me. So let me know if you're going to be trying out this recipe and what you're going to be pairing it with. Also, do drop in the comments as usual what recipe you'd like me to film next for you. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.